Welcome to this tutorial video on how to change a Evinrude ETEC fuel filter. A few tips for this service job are that, like with most fuel filters, this filter has a flow direction written onto the body. Make sure the filter is refitted the correct way. Don't just assume the filter you remove was correct. First step is to remove the engine cowling and locate the fuel filter on the top right-hand side of the engine block. Remove both the old fastenings, in this case it was a non-genuine filter, and two Jubilee clips. Once slackened, remove the clips entirely and dispose of the fuel filter. Now it's time to install the new genuine fuel filter with part number 5007335. If using the genuine filter kit, it comes with metal ETEC hose clamps which require a special tool to pinch. First, slip both clamps over each fuel hose end and then push on the fuel filter, ensuring the flow direction arrow is correct, and push the clips over the ends. Now, using the hose clamp tool, pinch each clamp fully in turn, ensuring a tight, snug fit. As you can see in the video, when pinched, the hose clamp tightens up around the fuel hose, ensuring a leak-free connection.
They're good for fuel lines because you know they won't come off.
The last step is to secure the fitted fuel filter assembly to the bracket using a cable tie. Cut the tail end off when finished. This concludes the service guide on changing the Evinrude ETEC fuel filter.